And you can see better if we turn here. Look at those. Coming from there. Going there. The steepest hill I ever seen in my life. You got to be kidding me. Malawi, you're killing me. Hello. So what's your name?
My name is Ronald Bigoko.
And you're originally from this village?
Yeah.
What's the name of the village?
Chambankuya.
And this is your home?
Yeah.
And that's where I'm gonna spend the night.
Which one?
It's raining. And I'm here with my friend. What's your name?
Christopher.
Where are we, Christopher? What's the name of this place?
Okay, here is in Gombe,
In Malawi,
Malawi.
very close to the lake.
Yeah.
And do you think it's gonna rain the whole day?
No, it will stop. We are really just waiting for a few minutes.
Are you confident now?
Yeah.
Look at the rain. It's raining a lot.
Yeah.
You sure we're not gonna be here the whole day?
No. Hopefully the rain will stop.
Okay, and where are you going now? Where are you heading? You going to school?
Yeah, I'm going to school, but now I'm just staying to wait the rain to stop.
How far is the school?
About 20 kilometers from
And
here.
and how far is your house from here?
From here, it's about 10 kilometers.
And it's all hills, up and down, yeah.
Exactly.
So you do this every day, going to school and back home.
Exactly.
So how long does it take you to go to school? How many hours?
It's about 2 or 3 hours.
To go and 2-3 hours to come back.
In 2 hours, I can have the classes from 7 o'clock up to 20 to 2. Then I depart to my home. Yeah, so each and every day I do that.
So do you get home around 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4.
Okay.
Sometimes 3 if the speed is very high, because I been on cycling the bicycle.
Yeah, that's good. How old are you?
I'm just 18 years.
18.
Yeah,
In which grade are you?
grade 12.
Grade 12.
Yeah.
Very good. It's great to have you here and keep me company while I'm waiting for this rain to pass.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for chatting with us.
Thank you.
Oh, Christopher. Christopher Steven, it's still raining a lot here.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what do they do where my bike is?
Okay, that one is the shade for tobacco.
So that's where they dry tobacco.
Yeah.
So what kind of crops do they grow around here?
Okay, it's they grow maize, tobacco, groundnuts, and soya bean.
And what of these crops do you think is the most profitable one?
The most profitable, in nowadays, I can say groundnuts, because it doesn't require fertilizer, and then you just go there to maybe you just go there to weed and to remove the weeds, then you wait, then you just harvest them, then you can get profit because you don't lose the money to buy fertilizer.
Okay.
While tobacco, it is profitable, but you need to have the fertilizer. So if you don't have the money to buy fertilizer, then you can go somewhere. So when you sell the tobacco, then you back the money to where you borrow them. Yeah. So that's why I said the profitable one can be groundnuts because it don't require more fertilizer.
So basically the people that grows tobacco, they lose lots of profit, and the profit goes to the fertilizing company.
Yeah.
Probably fucking Monsanto.
Yeah.
Okay. Lake Malawi, guys. Can you see those twisters / tornadoes? Well, believe it or not, those are flies that after the rains, the eggs hatches and the wind blows them away. And you can see better if we turn here. Look at those. Those are flies. A gazillion of flies. Hopefully they are not gonna get here where I am. That's fresh rubber, huh?
Yeah, fresh rubber.
Nice. So you do it every day?
Every day.
What's your name?
My name is Jackson.
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 And those are the ones you took the harvest of today?
Yeah, this is the cup that is the flat panel.
Yeah.
Is the fresh, like and the tube
Yeah.
put. So after 2 days, we take.
Yeah. You strip it.
You strip it.
And you make the ball.
Yeah, it's a ball.
Yeah.
It's a plantation.
Yeah.
Indeed, yeah.
And then you sell it like that, yeah? You sell the balls, yeah? Let me see, I wanna take a picture. Yeah, very good.